In the Malaysia current marketplace, they are currently focusing on Industry Revolution 4.0, and it is a really good approach by the government initiative to go to the advanced technology. But this technology has been fully utilized by the top 20% in the marketplace. How about the neglected society? In my case, a single mom society and the needed society. They need to find money to their children, they need to secure the educational plan for their kids, and also they expose themselves to the external threats in Malaysia in order for them to secure and survive in the current marketplace. Next problem is that our current government usage of the current app and interface is not on par to compare with another country. The current technology that has been used by the other country does not revealing their TNC and also their trade secrets towards the society. This is because to ensure they got all of the sell in the marketplace. The third problem that arises is that our students have been exposed on how the process in developing app, but they are not exposing the way to manage the app and managerial of the business in a real marketplace. Combine all of these problems, this is an initiative from my team and I to solve these three main problems, which is announcing the development of the app of Mom's Cook to You. Mom's Cook to You is a food delivering app that integrated with the Single Mom Association in making the food and acting as the intermediaries that connected all of the marketplace in Malaysia towards the single mom society. With the development of these apps, we will ensure that we are going to enhance one student managerial skill, which currently we are engaging with College Professional Mara Bandar Melaka, so that the student will improve and enhance their skill, which surely will make them ready into a better marketplace. Next, we are providing the government one of the established app which on par with the current delivering apps in Malaysia. This way, government will get the access to this technology. They are going as the distribution channel for them to help this single mom society. So, by having this platform of Mom's Cooks to You app, we are going to collaborate with government for them to establish a platform for this single mom to work. This way, single mom will establish their own money. So, according to the budget 2020, the single mom society only get the fund. But now, by using Mom's Cook to You, we are not providing them fish anymore. This is a fishing rod for the single mom to secure their place in the marketplace. This way, this single mom society can help themselves develop their kids into a better future, which will indirectly improve Malaysia development. Not only that, the students who are going to be a part of our initiative will become on par with the standard skills needed in the current marketplace. The students are going to be exposed themselves in a way of our initiative to develop a real business model. Lastly, for the government, you will get the access to an integration platform which will ease the government to manage this neglect society in making more money to the government, and this means by to increase the income of the government revenue.
So our target market is for those who are busy and lack of time from eating. So by using our service, we will provide them our food. They are just using the apps and swipe, click, and you got food. Besides, we are also targeting for those who do not like to cook, because it would be easier if we didn't cook, others cook for us. So here our service will provide you our food. As we are involved students with our service, and of course we are also targeting their friends, students to be our target market. So we have one market strategy, which in the initial phase we will approach the company to encourage them to use our service so that we can secure our revenue.
We have two main competitors, which is Foodpanda and the other one is GrabFood. So for Foodpanda, they are well known for their strong brand position, and also they have been popular with their very quick delivery. But aside from them, their price is so expensive because of the service charge that they charge for the people. For GrabFood they are famous with their premium image. What is meant by premium is because there are some of their riders who deliver their food by using cars, and sometimes they are very expensive cars, and they also have a very strong brand recognition. In the earlier days, they only have a Grab car service, but after they have been popular and people love them, they start to develop a new services and they provide a Grab food delivery. And lastly, they also have a very strong technology, because compared to the Foodpanda, people who love to go cashless, we always prefer GrabPay because they have a very smooth transaction compared to the Foodpanda transaction. But they also are very expensive, and they also always frequently have technology improvement, which means people will always need an extra space in their phones or in their gadgets to update the new versions regularly.
As our sales revenue model, the way how we secure our financial is that the first one, we are going to focus on the monthly subscription. Second, we are going to fully utilize the advertisements of the app. The third one, we are going to have from the trips commission. Next, we are going to fully utilize the purchase through the app itself. The next one, we are going to emphasize of the importance of the vendor commission. And lastly, the company collaboration. We are going to collab with the company and find the representative agents in each company to secure the sales. By this way, it will ensure that our company will gain a good cash flow in the term of revenue. For our commercialization value, we already engaged with KPM, the director of KPM Bandar Melaka. We also have been already engaged with the Single Mom Association of Bandar Melaka. Not only that, we already run the business at UMP, University Malaysia Pahang, and the RB Highcom University, and gain quite good amount of money, which we are going to penetrate into the market really soon. We need you to help us in making this dream into a realization. This app will surely impact it not only to the Malaysia marketplace. This also will impact it to our next generation. This is because we are the social entrepreneurship and we are not looking for money. We are looking for the development.